Now to completely cancel HelloFresh, it's pretty easy. You want to make sure that you're logged into your HelloFresh account. You want to go to your name, which is here on the right, and then you want to go to account settings, and then right here you could change your plan or go on the very bottom here, and then what you're going to do is just click cancel plan for status. From here it gives you an option to where you can speak to customer service or you get fewer deliveries. You can do that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and cancel anyway. Let us know why you're canceling. Maybe we can help. So just for this, I'm going to say it's just too time consuming. I'm not going to mention budget, because if I mention budget, then they're going to suggest that I could get fewer deliveries. And then I'm going to go click here, continue. And now they're trying to do an upsell and trying to keep me, which they all do. And then say, would fewer deliveries help? So what you're going to do here is just cancel anyway, right here. So my subscription has been canceled. So now I'm canceled. I'm good now.